Over 50,000 nightly users fix their snoring with this little mouth guard. Here's how it works. It pulls the user's lower jaw forward, stopping the tongue and other tissues in the mouth from blocking the airway. This is actually the #1 reason why Americans snore. The technology is new, but the science isn't. It's FDA cleared, clinically tested to reduce snoring in 97% of users, and gentle on teeth. In fact, the Sleep Foundation just awarded it as most comfortable snoring mouthguard of the year. Join me and thousands of others who stopped their snoring on night 1 and are getting quiet, restful sleep again.